How many people here know someone who smokes marijuana? I personally know many people who smoke marijuana, especially people under the age of 18. Teen marijuana use has increased by 245%, or 1 in 7 teens, over the last 20 years, according to the NIDA. Now, I know you all may be curious on how marijuana use affects the brain, how many teens use it, and if it is dangerous to consume. Today, we will look at these questions. First, let's look at how marijuana use affects the brain. For the brain, marijuana affects it in both positive and negative ways. The positive effects are that marijuana use is linked to less stress and anxiety. Less stress and anxiety on the brain results in a longer lifetime, according to the CDC. The negative effects of marijuana on the brain is that lifetime use of it can directly result in psychosis, specifically schizophrenia. And did you also know that the total percent of people diagnosed with schizophrenia, 8% of them reported lifetime use of marijuana? Next, let's look at if marijuana use is dangerous. Daily marijuana use results in permanent IQ loss as much as 8 points and damage to tissues, small blood vessels, and lungs. Also, studies link daily use to depression and psychotic episodes, and it directly affects your timing, movement, attention span, memory, and learning outcomes. Lastly, we'll be looking at marijuana use amongst teenagers. According to the SAM-HSA, or the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services, 1 in 7 people who start using the drug before 18 can become addicted, and the number is 1 in 10 in adults. And according to a study in 2019 by Columbia University, 37% of U.S. high school students used marijuana in the last 30 days. Vaping weed has also become popular in teens, rising by 18% in the last 3 years alone. In conclusion, we now know the positive and negative ways marijuana use affects the body and brain, and that use is rising with no signs of slowing down anytime soon. We also now know if consuming weed is dangerous and how it affects teens. Thank you.